my dear students. In this video, we will continue our exercise 5.2. In previous video, we have done questions up to 10 and we will start now from question number 11. So, let's see what is given in question number 11. Which term of the AP? Which term means number of term means we have to find n. Which term? कौन सी means number of term of the AP. AP is given and our AP is, it is question number 11 and AP is 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on. This AP is given and we have to find number of terms. Let's see what is given more. Will be, which term of an AP means n. Sorry, which term of AP means n will be 132 more than plus 54. So we have to find an. After finding 54, then using an we will find an. What formula we will use here? Same formula, an. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula we will use while doing this question. I am repeating the statement. What is given, which term of the AP means we have to find the number of AP. And AP is 3, 15, 27, 39. Will be 132 more means इस AP की कौन सी टर्म जो है 132 ज्यादा होगी इसकी 54th टर्म से. मीन्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड A54. सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पर A54 फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज गिवन. A is equal to 3, D will equal to, because it is an AP, then D will equal to 15 minus 3 and it is equal to 12. Now A54 means n is equal to 54. This question is double question. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें दो चीजें फाइंड आउट करनी है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड A54. सबसे पहले हम क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे यहाँ पे A54. So let's see how we will find A54. This A54 will equal to, using this formula, A54 is equal to A plus 54 minus 1 means A plus 53D. It is equal to A plus 53D. So now putting all these values, A54 is equal to A, what is the value of A? 3 plus 53 into D means 12. Now A54 is equal to 3 plus 12 3s are 36, 3 carry, 12 5s are 60, 60 plus 3, 63. Now A54 is equal to, on adding these we will get 639. This is the value of A54. Now what is asked, which term of AP will be 132 more than this A54. लेकिन हमें इस क्वेश्चन में निकालना क्या है, कौन सी टर्म होगी जो 54th टर्म से 132 ज्यादा होगी. Then we have to find value of n. So for this, what we have to find, we have to find the value of an, which is 130 more than this A54. So first of all we will find this value of an. Then what we will write, let nth term will be 132 more than A54. So what will be the value of nth term? An. This an is equal to, A54 means 639 plus 132. 132. An is equal to, on adding these what we will get, 771. 771 means what is the value of nth term? 771. 771. This is the value of A, this is the value of D and this is our an, and we have to find the value of n using same formula. what we will do, as we know, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then this an, what is the value of an? 771, and it is equal to a means 3 plus n. We have to find the value of n minus 1 into d, and d is 12. 771 is equal to 3 plus 12 into n, 12 n, minus plus minus 12. So from here 771 is equal to 12 n plus 3 minus 12, we will get minus 9. Bring this 9 this side, 771 plus 9, and it is equal to 12 n. On adding these, we will get 780, and it is equal to 12 n, and n is equal to 780 divided by 12. On solving, 12 6 are 72, 6 remainder, 12 5 are 60. So what will be the answer? 65th term of AP will be 132 more than A54. This 65 is our answer. Yes, dear students, what we have done, first of all we have calculated A54, then we add 132 in A54. So from here we will get 771. Now we have to find the value of term. So it means n. We will use an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. 771 is equal to a means 3 plus n minus 1 into d means 12. 771 is equal to 3 plus 12 into n, 12 n plus minus minus 12. 771 is equal to 12 n plus 3 minus 12, we will get minus 9. Then bring this minus 9 this side, we will get 780, and this 780 is equal to 12 n. From here we will get the value of n, and n is equal to 65. It means 65th term of an AP will be 132 more than its 54th term. This is our question number 11. Now dear students, question number 12. What is given in question number 12? Two APs have the same common difference. It means there are two APs. First of all, we will consider those APs. Let two APs are A1, A2, A3 and so on, and B1, B2, B3 and so on. What is given in first line? Two APs have same common difference. So first of all, we have taken two APs, and let D be the common difference of two given APs. What we have considered? D as their common difference. Now the difference between their 100th term, what is given? 100th term of this AP means A100, and difference between their 100 terms means A100 minus B100, and it is equal to 100. What is the difference between their 100th term? 100. How we will denote their 100 terms? A100 and B100, and difference will be A100 minus B100, and it is equal to 100. Now we consider first term as A, and then what we will write? Let A and B are there are the first terms of two APs. हम हमने क्या किया, a1 b1 को ab से रिप्लेस कर लिया, बट वी हैव टेकन a and b आर दी फर्स्ट टर्म, देन a100 विल इक्वल टू a प्लस 90 अगेन यूजिंग दिस सेम फॉर्मूला, माइनस b100 मीन्स b प्लस 90 and it is equal to 100. Now on solving these, what we will get, a plus 99d minus b minus plus minus 99d and it is equal to 100. It is clear, dear students? a100 we can write a100 by a is equal to a plus 99d and b100 can be written as b plus 99d and it is equal to 100. A plus 99d minus is given, so before bracket sign is of minus, then sign will change. A plus 99d minus b minus 99d, 99d minus 99d cancel out. What is left? A minus b and it is equal to 100. Yes, let it is equation number 1. Now what we have to find, what is the difference between their 1000 terms? हमें उनकी 1000 टर्म्स के बीच में डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना है. डिफरेंस बिटवीन 1000 टर्म्स इज a1000 minus b1000. We have to find this. Then how we can write this a1000? a1000 will equal to a plus 999d. A plus 999d minus b plus 999d. We have to find this. How we will find? A plus 999d minus sign is there, so sign will change, minus plus b, it will become of minus, minus plus minus 999b. So on solving these, what we will get? Again a minus b. Now from equation first, a minus b is equal to 100. So a1000 minus b1000 will equal to 100. यहाँ पर जो आपकी 100 टर्म्स का डिफरेंस था वो भी 100 था और जो 1000 टर्म्स का डिफरेंस है वो भी 100 है. Why? Now question arises why? Because these terms, difference of these terms is independent of common difference. यहाँ पर जो आपकी 100 टर्म का डिफरेंस है वो उनकी फर्स्ट टर्म्स के डिफरेंस के इक्वल है, because a and b are their first term and difference of first term is equal to 100, difference of 100 term is equal to 100, then difference of 1000 terms will also equal to 100, because the difference of two APs, difference of terms of two APs is independent of common difference as they are having same common difference. That's why difference between 1000 terms will equal to 100. I think there is no doubt in this question, dear students. But I have told you that difference of two APs, यहाँ पर दो AP given है, उनके बीच का जो common difference है वो D है. अब हमें उनकी terms के बीच का difference find out करना है, means A minus B, A100 minus B100, and we can observe that this A100 minus B100 is independent of D. यहाँ पर तो D है ही नहीं, जो यहाँ पर difference है वो उनकी first term के difference के equal आ रहा है. So when we find difference between their 1000 terms, जब हम उनकी 1000 terms का difference calculate करेंगे, also it will be independent of D. ये भी D के independent है. So from here we will get difference between A1000 and B1000 is equal to 100, and this is our question number 12.